is Basha. So Hurricane Matthew's outer bands are here, and they've been here for quite a few hours already, expecting another 12 hours or so of terrible winds, driving rain. There's flooding in various areas of the city, low-lying areas near creeks. Oh my goodness, the wind is really howling. It's raining sideways. They're predicting lots of rain for us here today. There's a lot of ponding on the roads, even right here. Look at these guys splashing. So we're getting a wind gust right now, and they're up to 35 miles per hour with debris flying in the air. We have about 12 more hours of this. Look at this. And this is inland, this is not at the coast. And these gusts keep coming just every couple of minutes. Look at this. Pretty scary. So another 12 hours or so, and hopefully all this will blow away from us. Thank you for watching.